Goodbye, New York. Goodbye, Broadway. Goodbye, any chance of becoming a famous actress.
Please, don't be such a drama queen.
Lola may be the new girl in a small town, but she's not giving up on her one big dream: to become a star. No matter who stands in her way.
Carla's the all-time champion. I think you've peaked. Me again.
One girl is finally going to take a chance
Auditions are Friday.
at making her dreams come true. And she's about to discover
I like your necklace.
I like your boots.
Trust me, I'm smiling.
that her real life can exceed her wildest dreams.
This whole night belongs to you.
That girl was a world-track teenage drama queen.
Life can be so randomly beautiful.
Lindsay Lohan, Confessions of a Teenage Drama Queen.